Big smile, come on. Yeah, I don't want to see your legs.
Oh, you don't want anything, right?
You probably do.
No, I don't. I've just had my dinner. You haven't had anything.
No,
Big smile, right? Can you hold your stomach in, Robin?
You can't.
Oh, dear.
You have to get him from courses.
I recommend a good book that's just, well, probably hasn't been published yet by John Hawkes.
You're on video, so you better smile, Mr. Page. Come on.
He's got lovely pictures of Robin.
we're going to have another go for getting this ram. Again.
Are you?
I'm only going to what?
Have you still got your sweetheart on you? Yes, you have.
Yes, I have. Not done me any good, I have to tell you.
Isn't it? Oh, well, yeah.
I can kind of down. You'll have to move the horse.
Sorry,
Got a man handle the ram.
getting
Yeah.
in the
So you're going
picture.
down there now, are you?
He's allowed to have
Oh, I don't know anything about the horse.
You don't know?
No. That's Margaret's, that's all.
Afternoon, John.
Good afternoon, Jeremy.
Well, they're all going ramming, aren't they? I don't know.
Running, yeah.
Like that. Oh, dear.
He's been switched on for the afternoon, now.
Da-da. You're on, Pat.
Yeah, not too late for tea, no. It's
Two.
But then if you record, you won't get spent to be.
It's about
What is that, John?
What is what?
The TARDIS? Doctor Who's
You
TARDIS?
know what that is, don't you? Apparently he's put it in the wrong place.
Yeah, well, that's what I heard.
Then he asked me if he could move it.
You're joking.
No, I'm not. He asked me if he could move it.
I don't want this to
Did you know that?
That's a wonderful specimen of manhood, isn't it?
Yeah, but everyone's agreed now that it's in the wrong place. And it's built it. Where have you put it? I don't know where he's supposed to put it. Robin told me to put it there. No, because you can't break in.
What is it for?
He wants it for wine. But Mick thought it'd be best there because people couldn't break through that upright. Couldn't get in. If you go anywhere else, you're going to take the
Right.
all over his camera.
help yourself to what food is left.
All right, you can cut now.
Yeah, stop there.